Hi, my name is Kevin at Carbon Robotics. I'm a mechanical engineer. I've also been leading our manufacturing strategy, and I'm our program manager currently. So behind me, we have one of our Bud robots. I was responsible for the bed top lighting system, and I was also responsible for figuring out how we were going to make these things at scale. That was one of the things that excited me about coming to the company, the opportunity to get in at the ground floor of something potentially big and figure out how to make it big and have a large part of that. So we built the first ones on our own, and what we're moving to is contract manufacturing. And what that'll allow us to do is build potentially thousands of these a year at scale. And so working on that strategy and working on managing our programs has really got me excited and something I'm really passionate about.